Hello grade 3s. Today we are going to talk about level 16, expanding the subtrahend. So just a reminder of the terms for subtraction. If we have an equation like this, 76 minus 35 equals something, we're not sure yet. The large number that we're taking this number away from is called the minuend. And the smaller number in this case, and in a lot of the cases, is called the subtrahend, which means that this number that we're trying to find out is called the difference. We're finding out the difference between these two numbers here. So when we talk about expanding the subtrahend, we're talking about this number here. So, well, let's look at this question then. 76 minus 35. So if I'm going to expand the subtrahend, that means that I take this 35 and I break it down into, let's see here, 76 minus 35. And break it into 30. And 5. So now I look at my 76 and I can take 30 away. Okay, so 70 minus 30 would be 40. Okay, so I've taken the 30 away, and now I just need to, 46. 76 minus 40 is 46. Then I take the 5 away. 6 minus 5 is 1. So that brings me to 41. Now let's see if I can do that a little smoother on my next example. So for example, let's try 95 minus 21. So here was our first example. Our second example is here. 95 minus 21. So I'm going to expand the subtrahend, that's the 21. So I can take it and expand it into 20 plus 1. So I take my 95, I subtract 20 from it. So that gives me 75. And then I can take a 1 from that, which I take 1 away from 75. That brings me to 74. And that's my answer. So this is very helpful. Even when you get into larger numbers, you can do that. Let's try one larger number. If I can fit it in the bottom here. Okay, so if I go 875 minus 513, you'll notice that a lot of these don't have any regrouping. 513, okay. I can take this and subtract it into 500, 10, and 3. So I take 500s from the 800. That leaves me with 300. I take 10 from 70. That leaves me with 60. And I take 3 from 5, and that leaves me with 2. So 362. Pretty simple. All right, now your turn to do some practicing. See you later.